In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert rows and columns in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So open your Microsoft Word and I have prepared this example for you. So this is a table and how can we insert another row or another column into this table? So first is we have to select the cells of the table. So how can we do that? You will notice these four arrows on the left pane. Click on that to select the whole table. So once you select the whole table, this is how it looks like. Then you just need to make a right click and you have the option insert. So you have here insert columns to the left, insert columns to the right, insert rows above, insert rows below, or insert cells. So it's up to you. Now, if you want to insert columns to the left, you can simply click on that. And then here it is, okay? And now if we want to insert another our column, so we just need to select again the table or the cells of the table, right click, select insert. Now we can go with insert columns to the right. Okay, and that's it. Now if we want to insert rows above, then we need to select the rows. Okay, so rows are the horizontal line and columns are the vertical. Okay, so right click, select insert, and you have here insert rows above. Click on that, and as you can see, okay, right click, insert, insert rows below, and that's it. Okay, that's how you can easily insert rows and columns in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.